Hey guys, Dave here, beginning for B series. Welcome back. It's been it's been a summertime, so I'm usually non-existent during the summer, but fall's officially here and I got stuff to do. So no more Dave time, it's time to get other things done, chores time, all that. So golf, running, biking, it's going to take a little bit of a break for a little while, change of pace. So here we are. Been talking about a trail behind the house for a while. I broke ground probably a couple of weeks ago here. Kind of got it started. This thing will be about 2/10 of a mile long through the woods. So nothing too huge, but enough that we can take the dogs out with not worrying about traffic and different things. It's really nice to just walk through the woods during the winter time and the fall. So this was all handwork done, but now it's time for the 2650. Give me a helping hand. I've got a stump here. That's not going to get taken out with anything I have. But my trail is going to continue on this way. And as you can see, I've got a couple of old rotted, probably from that guy right here, rotted trees, and they're big. I mean, I would say a good 18 inches in diameter to 2 feet. Nothing I'm looking to try to cut up or anything. I'm just hoping that the 2650 and the grapple, we can either just bust through it, looks fairly rotted, or I'll be able to get it picked up enough and out of the way so that I can continue down through this way. So I hope you'll stick around. Gonna break out the extra large chainsaw and at least get rid of this little stump right here. It's probably 6 inches in diameter. Nothing the grapple would be able to really pull out of there. So we'll start off with that. All right, so here we are. Got to get rid of this thing. I don't want it catching on. It's right in the way anyway, regardless of whether it's the tractor or not, but it's right in the way. So we'll bring out the extra large chainsaw. Hang on a second. Yep, there we go. How about that? This little thing actually is quite incredible. I got it for Christmas from my father. I don't have a brand name. It was an Amazon deal. But I did look into them. And this is a 42 volt lithium ion. And what I noticed about this one that I really like that the others didn't have is this actually has a spot for your bar and chain oil, and you can run it, push this, I don't know what you call it, the bulb there. Push that in, that'll eject the bar and chain lube right onto the chain. It's kind of nice. So, you know, it's got a safety feature so you can push a button, then you can activate it. Thing actually lasts quite a long time. So let's see how it does on this. This is a pretty big, this is a little bit bigger than what this is meant for, but it's been great for limbing and different things. All right, not bad. Not bad for a little 6-inch chainsaw. tricky part here is uneven ground. I'm trying to get into this thing so that I can distribute the weight the best I can with this is going to require additional work. I'm very impressed on how it tore into this thing and lifted it up. But I thought it would break apart a little more than this. That is some serious weight. A lot bigger than I thought. So the only issue I have here is, of course, the thing's very long. So it only makes sense that I go get the chainsaw, we cut this off, and then I can just pick this up and move it. There's no point in trying to rip this whole thing out. So chainsaw it is. I'll lower the back blade just for some stability, because I of course lifted this when I was in it, and it's the whole weight of this tree. By cutting it, I'm sure there could be some shifting, so I just want to make sure the tractor is as stable as possible. Man, this thing is a monster. believe that's the family behind me. Paris, what are you doing? Hi. What's going on? Yeah, Dad's got gloves on. Dad's got gloves on.
Going for another walk.
All right.
Probably with Tracy and the girls.
Okay. YouTube world, this is Paris. It's my wife, Paige. And this is Lily over here. Lily do. They're a big help. This thing is a lot bigger project than what I thought.
I'm sure.
Those are huge.
I'm sure.
Anyway, Paris thinks I'm going to play with her every time I have gloves on.
Absolutely.
So that's what this is all about. Okay.
All right.
My beautiful wife does not like to be on video, so she did it to herself. All right, that went pretty well. I'm just going to actually back drag some of this stuff just so it helps level out this piece, because it's sunken down in there a good 6-8 inches. And then we'll tackle log number 2 over here. So that was kind of the first step of, well, technically the second step of this project. I cleared out to the point where you saw me get to these 2 big logs, and we're going to continue on, but half of it's still figuring out where to go, and that's not so easy actually. The ground's very unlevel. Ideally, some point I would love to actually be able to maintain this with the tractor, maybe even through the winter, which is probably asking a lot, just considering there's ledge around here, there's big rocks. It may be something that could be done, but would require probably an excavator of some sort. But hey, we're going to keep putting to use what we have and see how good that goes. Well, I really appreciate everybody sticking around. There'll be a part 2 to probably many parts to this. Quarter mile, 2/10 of a mile doesn't seem like a long way, but out in the woods where nothing's been cut down before, nothing's been managed, it's gonna take a while. I should have started this a long time ago, like I said I was going to, but I just didn't. So anyway, hopefully you'll stick around for the next one and the next one after that, and we'll see you then. Take care, everybody. Stay safe.